Hi, it's Steffi from Steffi's Beads and Baubles, and I wanted to show you how to make a little Halloween brooch or pin. And it's got a lot of glue on it. It's still drying. That's one thing about glue guns that drive me crazy is you get that debris, but they're so worth it. This one's got your orange and your black, but I added a purple, a deep, deep, dark purple. And on this one, I just did the black and the orange. And I was going to show you how you do this. So I've got one of each to show you. This is what I'm going to make. And basically you're going to take a half a pipe cleaner, because it's about what it takes is a half a pipe cleaner. And you're going to pick your pattern. And so on the purple one, I did purple, orange, and black. And the tri-beads nestle together really pretty like that. And you're just going to push them down, and you're going to keep putting them on till you get your full pattern. And this one took 11 of each bead. So it took 11 purple, 11 orange, and 11 black. On this one there was 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 black and 16 orange. So whichever one, and this is, you know, you don't see the purple is there, and the purple bow brings it out a bit, but it's not like a glaring difference. It definitely is a difference because this is double, and you could do single black and orange all the way around as well instead of doing chunks of 2 like I did. If you wanted to see what that looked like, you could just do a black, an orange, a black, an orange, black, and this is the difference. It would look like this. Wait, that would be the difference of the two. I think it shows the color a little bit. Oh, look at, I've got one in there. Ah, that's funny. I'll have to fix that before I make this one. But that would be the difference. And it's totally a personal preference. Now I do single on this, but you could also do the same on here. Do 2 black, 2 orange, 2 purple. And you might end up making this slightly bigger. Sometimes to make the numbers match, you have to go up or down a bead. So to get it from that to this, you're going to take, and this is the easiest project, I'm telling you. You take this, you twist it around, and you just twist your pipe cleaners together like this. Just twist them around on top. Make it nice and tight. And then you're going to take your clippers, and you're just going to clip that extra pipe cleaner off. So you just have a little puff of pipe cleaner showing. That's it. Get it the nice round shape that you want. And then you're going to take, and you're going to get a pin back. I like to use a fairly small one. This is about an inch total from tip to tip. If you see from the 4 to the 5, the hinge is right on the 5. You can get much bigger ones, and you can actually get smaller ones, but you're going to go right where that puff is. What I try to do is take my pliers and kind of pull it to the back a little bit, maybe. Sometimes you can, sometimes you can't. But if you can pull it to the back a little bit, like this, just kind of pull it to the back so it's not as much in front, then that's where you're going to put your pin back over right there. You're going to take your glue gun and just go right across that area. And you're going to put your pin back. Always open it up before you glue it on to make sure you have it open down. Then get that on there. And then I always go over the top of it just a tiny bit. Okay. Then you're going to have your bow. So I made an orange bow to show you the difference. There's an orange bow. You can put an orange bow on there like this. Let's see, I can lay it in my hand. There's an orange bow. And here's the, well, that's what the purple bow looks like. Now I'm going to do the purple bow because I like the purple with the purple. You're just going to put a little dot of glue on there, and then you take your bow and tap it right on that piece of glue, like that. And there you go. And now if I was making these, I'd probably undo this bow and redo it. It's not bad. For the gift cards, I don't mind as much if they're not perfect, but that one's not bad. I mean, I'm kind of out of practice, but it's not bad. You can mess with them a little bit and get them even better, but I'm trying to get some videos out for you, so I'm trying not to be quite as fussy as I normally would be. But there you go. And so you can use a bigger ribbon too, but I wanted to show you the difference. I think with this pin, the bigger ribbon is a little too big. Now there is one right in the middle, and that one would work too. But this one here, which is this one here, this is a 3/8 ribbon, and this one is a 1/8. So probably a 2/8 would be the one slightly thicker, and that would be really good too. But I just use this inexpensive ribbon. You used to be able to buy these everywhere, spool of ribbon, but now you kind of have to buy them secondhand. But I grab them every chance I get. But anyway, that is my Halloween pin. I hope you enjoyed it. And very simple and easy. You can buy these tri-beads online, I think Amazon, eBay. I just put tri-beads in and pull up someplace, and there's stores that'll pop up too, and just find the best deal. I haven't bought them in about 5 years, so just look for the best deal. But these are called tri-beads, and you can see why. They've got three sides, and they nest together. So I'll be back soon. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial, and I hope you're having a great week, and I'll be back in another couple days. Bye.